So now we will talk about soft skill for basically public managers. The 11 time tips that Dr. Donald D. Walton tips, they have given us 11 biggest time waster rebel. List out the 11 in corporate trouble, 11 thieves that gang up steal some of the precious time away, productive use for managers. First of all, poor planning. A failure to see the value of planning and getting impatient to get something done are the cues of poor planning. Absence of the plan is likely to trigger the false start. Resulting the unproductive time utilization is critical for tasks being undertaken. The managers might not be find enough time for completing the task. So one of the in our leadership courses we talk about how to you can strong planning for time management. But this is the one way the poor planning is a failure to see the value of planning and not completing the task. Second one is the crisis management, and crisis management is the most often crisis management is offering up the lack of prioritizing of tasks as a result of inability to distinguish between the urgent and important tasks. Necessary tasks first and then unimportant tasks are likely to get first and cost important tasks. Consequently, the managers are not likely to find enough time to get around the important things. So, at the crisis management, we teach about how you can plan about most important task first and then unimportant task after that. Third one is the procrastination. It is the put of the tasks that are the delay right away. Okay, so you have a your important task now at that moment of the time, and you delay that one to do tomorrow another day. So this is the procrastination. Procrastination is generally triggered off by the fear of the failure, success, and procrastination wanting to do all incorrect prioritize. It is the virtue of the want to be good job, but some people become anxious about the getting job done perfectly. They are not never completed. A manager should examine whether they are required to get the job done perfectly or really improving things, preventing them to getting the job done. So procrastination is the subject which you will focus to understand. Interruption is the distraction basically arises due to lack of planning and poor concentration and lack of control over environment. Our vision is that everyone should have a laser focus, and there are the necessary things to manage this time to come many forms. Dropping visitors, telephones and emails, unscheduled meetings, poor communication, and confused chain of the authority, etc. Managers should be less willing to automatically give away their time just because they demand it. They should learn to avoid distraction and they are to get work done. They should work in areas where they are less likely to disturb and tell people when they are busy and can't be disturbed. So interruption is very topic that you must focus, not interrupt and disturb by others wherever you are working on your important task. And 5 1 is not delegating. Waiting to do all by oneself is yet another thing that could be let the managers lose control. You can't do everything. Yeah, everything can be done by the peoples, and you have the authority and power yourself that feel the employees can never do anything as well as they can. They fear that something will go wrong if someone else take over a job, and they lack time for long range planning because they are blocked to day operations. So not delegating, you can just give out your job and your task to others workers. So that's why you can does that one perfectly at a time. Unnecessary meetings. So if a meeting is held without a specific agenda and nothing productive comes out of it, so clearly the meeting was unnecessary. Obviously such meetings can are thief as the time wasted and the thing just do not get started. Then seventh point is the shuffling blues. Managers often waste much time because of the disorganization, keeping things that they need in a specific place, eliminating culture, making sure that they have all material and information that they need before starting the task. And following a deep planner is called schedule will keep them shuffling blues up at the workplace. And the number 8 point we have about the poor physical setup, not having the things that the managers need frequently within each reach, and having a lot of things that they seldom require close be result in wastage of a lot of time. Wearing out the carpet, retrieving what they frequent need, and of course, as they pass other, they will often pull them aside the still some of their time. Ninth, poor networking is the where the more diversity occurs. Like if the person who is leading the company, he speak other language, the workers who is working on the company, they speak other language. As that situation of the time, the networking problem goes on, and the quality relationship with employees and other can be substitute time saver and open door for managers, and with all kind of the opportunities. Failing the develop a good network base will case the best time creating that might have the head through their network. And then bad attitude is nothing sinks a day more effective than having a poor attitude. Poor attitude is a cue of managers to build problem and not be see solutions, and make it possible to throw the day away. When they are providing others with their problems and complain, they are forgetting their valuable time. And last one is a negative people. Being surrounded by negative people could mean the manager for spending a lot of time listening that to them but getting nothing much purposeful from them.